Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to make sticker on Discord. Open a web browser and navigate to discordstickers.com. The website showcases a variety of stickers available for use on Discord. Note that some stickers may not be the correct size, requiring adjustments. Select a desired sticker. For example, Pool Guy. Click on the sticker's name to access its details. Locate the download button and click to save the sticker to your device. Return to Discord application or website. Navigate to your Discord server. Locate and access the server settings where various options are available. Look for the Stickers tab in the server settings. Note that having at least one server boost is prerequisite for the feature to work. Add sticker name. Add description. Choose related emoji here. Click on the Upload option within the Stickers tab. Click on the emoji here. Go to Stickers. The uploaded stickers will reflect here and can be used already. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!